Antisocial, time-release, bond-building, dry hair mask. It's a dry hair mask that restores a healthy look and feel to dry or damaged hair. The lightweight formula provides deep hydration, softens strands, and adds shine without residue or rinsing. Featuring IGK's leave-in bond-building technology, this dry mask repairs and strengthens hair immediately and over time, while vegan silk proteins soften and smooth the hair. Spray Antisocial generously to dry hair in sections and then brush it through. Reapply it as desired. Antisocial can be used throughout the day. I use it in the morning when I'm trying to tame my bedhead. I use it during the day when I'm in the middle of a haircut and I want to tame the hair as it's air drying so I can tame it down. And then I'll also use it as an overnight mask.